Right, I'll just show what's in there. So we got that off. Oh, that's not meant to be like that. I think they... Oh, it's a not sure, is it diesel or hydraulic? I think these are the hydraulic lines. Out there, not sure where that goes to. These, picking two of these. Oh, that must be the air conditioning. Is it air conditioning? No, it's a transcooler. Transcooler. Here's the power steering. That's for the power steering. It's for the transcooler. Picking that's the lights. Okay. Yeah. That all being open and all. Probably I should be able to reuse that. Should be alright. Yeah, maybe not. Yeah, a lot of it's just superficial stuff. Injectors. Yeah. I may have to get myself a book. I think it's supposed to attach to there. Oh, look at that, I don't even know. Got a battery, but we'll pull that off. Fuses are still good there. None of them are blown. They're still all good. Just clean them up. Bit of emery paper. Radiator hose still hooked up. Oh yeah. You know what? This engine might be locked up. Maybe locked up. I'll just brake come off. Come off. Pull that out. Yeah. Anyway, see these batteries? I think they're maintenance-free batteries, which means, you know, if you can't maintain it, well, once it's toast, it's toast. It's annoying. Anyway, there's our power steering all in there. That's the power steering unit there. Anyway, there's no signs that it was leaking. Oh yeah, let's see that. Let's see. Neck bone connected to the head bone, the head bone connected to the head bone not connected to the spine bone not connected to the hip bone. Anyway, see where I'm going with that. So then with that, I think that is actually that there. That's that lever that, you know, you got stop, run, stop, start, run. I think that's what that cable was. That cable, I think it's supposed to go there somewhere. Yes, it's okay. So, oh, there's the tacho. That's one for the tacho. That's it there, and that goes around. That goes around to there. It goes in there. This for the lights. This is for the lights. That there. They're lights, and that'll have power back to and light all and make all that. Woo! What else we got? Yeah, the rust is pretty bad. The rust is pretty bad. I mean, all these electrical things are. Yeah, it's pretty bad. These gear linkages. Oh, that. That's for. That's first up there. There we go. First, second, third, fourth. Yeah. So that one works. That doesn't. That's pretty. Oh, I want to move sideways. Yeah. Anyway, okay, so can't get it in gear. Yeah, that's solid as. See this lever here? Now that's where they usually have a TA. But I doubt this has got a TA. We go down to there. I wouldn't even know. I'll have to do some research there. I'm pretty sure this does not have a TA. There's a number there, 223016 BRX D. The number there, 3055001 R3 international sign. So I'm assuming it would possibly mean 3-cylinder. I'm not sure what the 55001R is. Oh, there's a plate. There's a tag, but it's right behind that filter and I can't see. I can't see it. Anyway, it's got a tag. I need to read that tag. Anyway, we'll try and get back to you with a number with that. What's underneath? Oh. I'm not sure if you can see up there, but I can't see. But there's a inspection hatch for the clutch in there, but it's been taken off. I'll have to look at my video to see up there, or actually climb under there, which I'm not going to do right now. Well, I think I just need to pull all this off, and I mean these lines actually look okay. It's just these, you know, like really need to, you know, all honesty, like that's not going to come undone, is it? Seriously, he's going to move it all. Oh, it's moving. Oh, I didn't think that would move. About this one. You know, it's dawning on me this is pretty bad shape, but take the skins off, put new skins on, you know, who would know, repaint the wheels. The concern is that a lot of this is so badly corroded. It's like, is any of this even going to come undone? I'm not going to worry so much about that stuff. But on here, it's more getting all this other crap off. I'm picking a lot of it's going to have to be cut off, or I don't know, not sure. Alright, here we are back at the tractor, a 484. So, got my handy dandy WD-40. I've sprayed a bit in there, and don't know if you remember, but I've got that moving now. That one's still not. And that's raise response fast. That's moving. Just going to see if this undoes. Oh yeah, that's solid. Oh no, I got it. Yeah. loose that. That's a miracle. Look at this one. Oh yeah, that's moving. You know when you're working on stuff and you put tools down and the tools literally grow legs and they up and run off. It happens to me regularly. But it's come back. Right. It's oh yeah, okay. Picking because these are British tractors. Probably all Imperial. There we go. I'll put it. Yeah. There's another part. Let's just get a battery and see if it turns over. Just having to think whether I should leave the lines hooked up, because if I try and turn it over, oil's going to gush out of the lines. Undo them here. I'm a watcher of a Marty T, who's down in Nelson Way somewhere, Havelock I think, somewhere. And he works on tractors and stuff. He's a cool YouTube guy, I watch him all the time, and in some ways he's been a little bit of an inspiration to do this even. But I'm thinking, what would he do? He probably would have already had it going and, you know, in mint condition already. But I think in this case I'm going to take that starter off and I'm going to bench test it. I mean, the wiring is so bad condition, and I'm going to drain the oil out. I'm not actually going to attempt to turn it over with the sludge that's in the oil. I'm not going to do it, because potentially the engine might be fine. I was told it had a lot of blow by, so you know, just going to manage to get the bung loose, so just want to not sure what's going to happen here. Oh yeah, yeah, pure water. Actually, yeah, that's not good. It's like Mount Vesuvius.